Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. So in this video I'll be explaining the purpose of this hairstyle video. First, as a mom, it's not easy to put up with everything around you, but then we'll still have to do it, right? So now the purpose of this video is for moms like me who doesn't take their girls to the salon, which makes you their hairstylist. Automatically you're their hairstylist, and it's not all hairstyle their names. You don't actually know all the names of hairstyles. And for my own daughter, in their school they call hairstyle, and when they call hairstyle, there are some that I don't even know the name. And when I look up on the let's say any social media, YouTube or anywhere, sometimes the names have changed, and also the way they put the styles. I don't get it. It's when you now get to the school, they'll be like, no, this is not the hairstyle. But yes, that is what I look up for. So I started doing this, and their names, we have changed all the local names of hairstyle we have in Nigeria. You will see people calling what's it called? Koroba baskets, for instance. Now this hairstyle, you hear Koroba baskets. Many names, and at the end of the day, they've also changed the way the hairstyle is being made. So it's a bit difficult finding the actual hairstyle you're looking for presently. So I decided to do this on my channel. I'll be making the hair and also putting the exact name. So it will be very much easy for anyone to find it on YouTube. If you just type the name of the hairstyle you're looking for, and it's going to pop up. So that is exactly why I'm doing this on my channel. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please continue to watch and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Bye. So everyone, if you haven't subscribed to the channel right now, like you're just watching this video, please kindly subscribe to the channel. Help the channel to grow as well. And as you're watching, give this video a thumbs up, guys. Give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to put on your notification bell, just to know when I'm dropping any new video, guys. My videos will be dropping every week, so you just have to be expecting a video weekly. So please, guys, turn on the notification bell so you can know when I've dropped a new video. And please subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate you guys. Thank you, and keep watching. See you in my next video again. Bye.